George got an electric shock.
Scary, isn't it? This is my new invention. It's called George 2000. He's my twin robot. He will do the house cleaning for me.
Oh, George, you're a genius.
How do you manipulate him? With a remote. Just see this. George is good for nothing. Sorry, wrong button. Here, George is the most hardworking little train in the world.
I think the first phrase was a bit more accurate.
So you wanted to play outside? Okay, George, house cleaning mode. Okay, let's go now.
Well, well, the great Professor George. He created something special, a robot.
Good afternoon.
What is going on here, eh?
Can I water the flowers, please?
Kid, watering flowers is a very serious business. But I see you are a very responsible little train. Why don't you go on and do it? And in the meantime, I will take a nap, and I can really use one. Hey, what's going on now? George, what have you done?
Grandpa Billy, I brought you some cakes.
Grandpa Billy, what's going on here? Whoa!
Who's disturbing the peace here?
It's George. It's George. It's all his fault, I tell you.
Well, well. Where's this naughty kid, then?
There he is. Stop him now.
George, here!
Oh, dear me. They're identical. Now tell me who made the mess in Grandpa Billy's garden.
It was all my twin robot. Honestly, it's not my fault at all. No, he is my twin robot. Liar, you are the twin. I am George. No, I am George. No, I am. 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 No, I am.
No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
No, I am.
It's me.
No, I am. Oh, sorry. Did you drop this? Run! Oh, George. What have you done now?
Now I know for sure, guys. I guess I have to clean my room by myself.
Too bad we're not allowed to participate in the street race.
Well, you know that we are just little kids, and our parents are worrying about us, that's all.
Uh-huh. They themselves can do what they please. Stay up late at night, or go for a street race. When I grow up, I will be a super racer. Yee-hoo! Give way! Who is the super racer here? You are? You wouldn't succeed in racing a turtle. No, you wouldn't. I can race you anytime. Wanna bet? Ha! Are you scared or what? Coward. I'm not a coward. You're on. I'll race you to the end of the street and back. Ha!
Ethan, I don't think it's a good idea.
Let's go. Whistle to start.
You are a hooligan. You broke a valuable prize. I'm taking you to your parents right away, and I hope they ground you with no movies or games.
I picked the tastiest engine grease. I really hope George likes it.
George! George!
Hi there.
How are you? What did your parents say?
They say I'm not allowed to go and see my friends. Yet on the other hand, they said nothing about my friends coming to see me.
We decided to cheer you up.
Ethan, it is you that I don't want to see. It was you who broke the prize, and I got punished for that. I think you should have told them the truth.
But I would have been punished, and I...
You guys may come in and help me to do something important.
What's going on with you, Ethan?
Nothing really.
Now tell me seriously, are you kidding me? I am an old battle iron horse. I see you're sad. You can tell me anything. I can maybe help you out.
I broke the prize. But George is the one that got punished for that. And I don't know what to do.
Well, I would say that if you did something wrong, you are the one responsible. That's right, even if you've done wrong, it is unfair when another guy is charged for your misdeed. Do you get it? And no fear, ever never.
That's it. I told you everything. It was me who broke the prize. Forgive George. He's innocent.
Well done, Ethan. You are very brave. I wouldn't tell if I were you, because I would be scared to death.
Listen, just tell my mom and dad to ground me in my room for what I did.
We made a new prize. Even better. It's even better. Friends again, Ethan, right, friend?
Yeah.
I can't take it anymore. Just leave me here, guys. Why is it always my turn to drag this huge wagon when we're climbing up? It's so unfair. I'm exhausted.
George, don't droop. Cheer up, we almost made it. Look at Vera, she's in good spirits.
I can't see anything. My glasses are all foggy now.
Look, we're almost there. Now get down there and take a turn, and then we'll be done.
Push me down, please. Please, somebody. I'm so stuck.
It's my turn now.
Oh? Interesting. Where could this trailer have gone to?
Oh dear, how can we go to the shore without sunshades and inflatables?
Well, the trailer could not run away alone. It was stolen. We must find it.
Oh, goodness. Do we really have to?
Hey there. Did you see our trailer come by this way by any chance?
It's so lovely and green.
What, your trailer ran away?
Lovely and green. Guys, you're so funny.
Did you see that?
See what?
A red elephant with a blue trunk. Uh-oh, it lives there in the bushes, I think. Huh?
A red elephant with a blue trunk.
Oh me, oh my. I must be seeing things again. It's the heat, I know it. I must be hallucinating.
know, Ethan. I haven't seen the trailer.
I think that it's far more comfortable to sunbathe in the nice cool shade, guys, than in the sun for sure. Huh? What was that? Did you see that now?
What? A red elephant?
No, something else. I saw a blue camel with stripes. It went in the bushes together with a red elephant. I'm pretty sure I've got sunstroke. I think you should take me to the shade now, please. I need to lay down for a while. I'm having heavy visual hallucinations.
Oh dear, he's got sunstroke.
I'm stricken, guys. Oh, guys, it's too bad you don't see my hallucinations. They're so very beautiful, guys.
Now it's clear. I can see what kind of hallucination you've got. Let's go fast before it disappears.
My red elephant is so lovely and soft.
Yeah, and my blue camel is ever so comfortable.
Go on, lay out in the sun. Burn yourself and wait for your own hallucinations as well.
Oh, what wonderful music. I think it's so passionate.
What did you say? The why what NATO? It's coming from the musician's house over there. Oh, big deal. I could play better than that for sure.
To play like that, one has to study hard. Or maybe you think you're a genius.
Oh, yeah, and who says I'm not? Come tomorrow evening and see for yourselves. I'll show you then.
I have to admit that I'm feeling very awkward with this adornment, my dear.
Oh, don't take offense. It makes you look like a knight with a feather. Oh, you could have broken the instrument. To play the piano properly, you need to learn for a long time.
Hey, I will learn. Just give me a minute or two. So how about this then? What do you think? Did you like what I just played for you or not?
Can you play something military for me? Boom, boom, pa-rum-pa-pum.
Boom, boom, param-pam-pam. Just a minute.
Yes, that one. Pa-rum-pa-rum-pum. Bum-ba-bum-bum-ba-bum. Bum-bum-ba-bum-bum-bum-bum.
Huh?
Something's happened to our Sam Sparky. What happened? Is it a fire? Huh?
Listen, everybody, it's so exciting. We have a young genius in Train City, and his name is Sam Sparky.
I think something is wrong here.
Sam Sparky invited us to convince us all that he's a genius. So we all came.
You may come in now. Please follow me, everyone. Whoa. Maestro Sam Sparky is practicing. He asked not to disturb him today, but you may quietly peep inside if you want to. Are you convinced now? I really don't get it, guys.
When will the performance begin already?
Could you put away that bunch of flowers? I can't see anything at all.
Huh.
Oh, dear, no. Oh, I'm allergic to flowers. Quiet! Silence! Stop sneezing! Don't disturb me listening to this whiz kid play. This is outrageous. Honestly, you should clean your nose at home.
Ow!
Oh! Look at that genius over there. His piano is playing all by itself.
All I wanted to do was become a good pianist. But this whole learning thing was so hard and...
You wanted to become a star without any effort at all? Remember, kid, to achieve something you must study hard and practice for many days and many, many nights.
Ethan, why aren't you going to play outside?
Mom, am I beautiful?
Ethan, you are the most beautiful little train to me, my darling.
I'm beautiful to you because you're my mom. But what about the others?
Ethan, outer beauty is not the only thing that matters. Good deeds matter. Politeness, kindness, and honesty. You need them to be beautiful, my love.
Is that it? I'll go and do something good to become the most beautiful little train in the whole city. What? It's beautiful, huh?
Oh, Ethan, you scared me. I think its beauty is stunning.
What, more than mine, you mean?
Ethan, you're kidding me. You can't possibly compare yourself with this microscope here.
What microscope, George?
Ethan, are you sure that one good deed is enough to become beautiful?
You might need 2 good deeds for the whole body to be beautiful. One should be enough to get beautiful eyes. Hello, Mrs. Dove. Can we help you to get to your wagon home, please?
Oh, thank you, boys. Thank you. You are so very nice.
You see, George, we are nice before we actually did something. Can you imagine our stunning beauty after we do good deeds? Oh, the wagon is so heavy. Hey, look at me. Am I now more beautiful than before?
I think that your left eye got a bit wider.
Oh. Then a wagon is not enough to make me beautiful. Mrs. Dove, can we please clean up your house?
Oh!
I completely forgot about being polite, honest, and kind. I just wanted to say, Mrs. Dove, thank you very much for everything.
Thank you so much for letting us clean your floor, Mrs. Dove.
Thank you very much, boys. I appreciate it.
All the best to you, Mrs. Dove. And bon appetit. And good night to you.
Oh.
All right, the good deeds are done, and we've been polite. Honesty is left.
It's one serious trail. Can we clean a floor again instead?
Okay then, I broke a glass, I was late for school, I didn't brush my teeth, I haven't done my homework, I didn't listen to my mom.
And I forgot to clean my room and...
Well, okay, it's time for my turn now. Back in the time when I was a little train, I was late for class once.
All right then, I guess now it's time for kindness. And then, George, beauty will be ours.
Whoa! Guys, I'm sorry. It was an accident, I swear.
Oh, Arnold, you're such a great guy, Arnold. You hit me just a little bit and my bruise is so small.
Are you hurt at all, Arnold? Hey, sorry, guys. I'd better be going.
Hello, kids. Well then, isn't it a lovely day today, eh?
Hello, General. Can you tell us something? We've been kind, honest, and polite from the beginning of the day to the end of it. When shall we become more beautiful?
is very good to be honest, polite, and kind, that's for sure, of course, dear boys. But one day is not enough to become beautiful. You need to be like this forever, every day for the rest of your lives. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, Ethan, as a matter of fact, I think your other eye got wider too.
Ethan, what's on your mind?
I'm going on a real expedition. I want to find treasure. Are you with me?
Isn't it dangerous?
George, don't be so scared. This will be fun. Looking for treasure will be a real adventure.
Really? Where can we find treasure?
On the island. All pirates hide their treasure on islands.
I read somewhere that all the treasure has already been found. Okay, I'm with you.
That is a brilliant idea. I want to go to the island too.
Maybe we should join them.
No way! We don't need these kids. We'll find the island first, and all the treasure will be ours.
Hey guys, we are so far from the city, and it is so dangerous. I fear something terrible is coming. Hi.
Look, a desert island. We have finally found it.
But how can we get there? The river is moving too quickly.
I have an idea.
They're making a raft.
Ah, poor kids. I have a better idea.
Is it too far?
The water, it's so wet.
I don't know. I'll ask someone now.
Where do pirates usually hide their treasure?
Where is it hard to get? For example, on that hill? Let's go.
Oh, wow.
It is huge! There will be so much treasure!
Treasure? Let me see. Oh. Wait,
George, if you were a pirate, where would you hide your treasure?
I've read that treasures are always marked with a rock or even a skeleton.
Hey, look! There is a huge rock on the hill.
Good job, Vera. Let's go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now we're close. Treasure, here we come. Hello?
Hey guys, you could have stayed in that pit forever.
We just wanted to be the ones to find the treasure first. It's such a pity we did not find any treasure.
Who said we didn't find any treasure? I think our friends are treasure for sure.
Why are you sitting on the street?
George is doing scientific experiments at home.
I don't understand anything.
You'll understand everything soon. Just wear the glasses and stand under the umbrella.
Lie down!
Professor Uzkokoleking's theory is approved. Bubbles cheer you up in any situation.
I still don't understand anything.
Not like that. Wait. Here you go. And now we will nail the nail here.
And we'll screw the screws here.
Huh?
And we'll put that thing right over there.
Wow. That's a vacuum cleaner.
You are a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, how does that work?
Watch and learn. Hi.
I told you it's a vacuum cleaner, just vice versa.
Hardware configuration is required. I will ask strangers to leave the premises. Well. Ha ha! Doesn't work.
George, are you feeling okay?
Where's George?
George.
Oh no, Gluten! Spit George out! Right now! Come on, spit him out, I said!
I don't understand anything.
And they have already faded.
Grandpa Billy, tell me what's going on. Bubbles are flying in the air. Someone ate George. I don't understand anything.
That's just nonsense. What is that?
You exceeded the speed limit. Oh, what's that?
Where am I?
Mrs. Dove, come with us. We'll take you on a ride.
Well, now I understand everything. Everything.
No free places. Let's go to a shooting gallery.
We can put a pillow under the wheel. That way, it will be easier to aim.
What's that? I'm going to sleep here? Well, I'll give it a try. What a surprise! Did you put that hypnotic pillow under my wheel on purpose? General, you... the surprises go on. Where is General?
This is outrageous. This is hooliganism, not a carousel.
How plush and beautiful.
Don't look at it. The prize is mine. We'll see whose prize it is.
I can't handle this. I'm getting nervous. What's happening? Did we win?
I won this for you, girls.
What a surprise! Thank you.
It's okay. I'll find another way to surprise you. Let's go.
There is something I don't like about Sam Sparky's surprise.
But I like surprises a lot. They're always so... Oh, I've forgotten the word. There's a letter S in it.
With the letter S? Of course. Sandy? Scary? Slippery? Or maybe smelly? No? Stinky?
Maybe she wanted to say squishy.
I got it! Unexpected! I wanted to say unexpected surprise.
And where's the letter S in it?
Are you kidding? Unexpected!
Achoo! Achoo!
Here, that's my prize. I've won it in bowling for you.
So, what's this? A festival?
The Lantern Festival. It's so beautiful in Traintown.
Vera, you made a really good festival.
Here are the instructions of how to make a lantern.
The Lantern Festival. All my dreams will come true.
Why is that?
Didn't you know? People put lanterns on water and make wishes. I will create a giant lantern. My biggest wish will come true. I'm going to go make it.
No, the lantern must be as light as my wish.
Why do you want a contest? You should all just be happy, and you shouldn't compete.
This is really stupid. To make giant lanterns to have your biggest wish come true. I'd better make many small lanterns to have many small wishes come true.
Wow! You see how big it is? George will be so jealous when he sees his lantern.
I'll have the brightest lantern of wishes. Ethan will be speechless when he sees it.
Steve will not be able to sleep if he sees that I made 1,000,000 lanterns. Oi, oi, oh!
Why do boys always spoil everything? The festival will start in an hour and they haven't even finished their competition.
Here is my giant. How can I get it to the river?
It's so heavy. How is it going to sail?
Oh no! It's fallen apart!
Well, the festival is ruined because of those stupid boys. Everything's in vain.
I would never want my friend Vera to cry.
I want my friends to never fight.
Let the Lantern Festival, which Vera created, begin.
I never want my friends to fight. Let my friends' wishes all come true, all of them, the brightest ones and the biggest ones. Well, where did you take the lanterns?
According to your instructions, my wish of making a lantern came true immediately.
I'm so bored. All my friends are busy. Anthony is studying. George is helping someone. Vera went to her mother's job for the day. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! Hey! Yeah!
12 p.m. in Traintown.
I'd like to talk to you.
Hello there, Ethan.
Hey, tell me, can you brake?
I'm afraid that's impossible.
No, you didn't get me. I want you to pretend you're broken, just for a few hours. Can you? Can you?
Well, no. Tell me why. Well, all right. Just for you, then. All right.
Thank you, Mr. Clockface.
Mr. Clockface, what time is it?
Well, I don't know now. I'm temporarily broken.
Oh, it's a disaster. I'm really late for my lesson.
Anthony, Mr. Clockface broke. He needs our help. I have a watch. I need to run it again.
I can't. I'm sorry. I have a lot of summer training to do.
Do you want to leave the city without a clock, Anthony?
Very well. Well, all right, but only for Clockface.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to George, and you call Vera and ask her to come.
Hello? Hi.
Hello, Vera. It's me. Mr. Clockface broke his clock, and we need to fix it. Come quickly.
Hey, George, Mr. Clockface is broken. We need to run his clock. Quick.
Clock? I had some information about it, I'm sure. Well. I don't remember where I put it, so I'll try it my way. That didn't help.
What's that?
Too many parts. Let's try pendulum technology. I've read that every clock in the world has a pendulum. You can swing it and run the clock.
Where do you run it to? To space? Well, we need to go to Mr. Clockface.
What time is it?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I really don't know.
But what do you mean? If you don't know, then no one will know.
I'm broken. Well, sort of, anyway.
I'm confused. What do you mean? What time do I need to go to work?
What happened?
Clockface is broken. Now everybody in town is late. And confused as well.
Clockface is broken?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Mr. Clockface has about 10 clocks. Something's fishy here. What's going on?
I asked Mr. Clockface to stop the clock for a few hours.
What?
I wanted to gather my friends together. They were all busy and minding their own business. But I wanted to have fun all together. But I failed miserably, I see that now. The clock isn't working now, and it's all my fault.
How could you do that, Ethan? I was late for work because of you.
And I missed my classes. You really shouldn't have done that.
You should have, son. He's right, you know. You should have done it, just for your friendship. Look at that. They're all together again.
Hey guys, look, I brought you a new clock.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I really like this new clock.